Today topic electric fields and charges. So in second year physics, first in electricity it is classified into three categories. First one is static electricity, so current electricity. Third one is thermal electricity. Yeah, this is the classification of the electricity. Actually, electricity it is a part of physics. So classified into three categories. So static electricity, current electricity, thermal electricity. In static electricity, we are discussing about the charges which are at rest. So current electricity topic is going to discuss about the charges which are in motion. So the conversion of this electricity, the production of the electricity from thermal energy. This is third topic. So production of electricity from thermal energy. So this is classification of this electricity. So first topic is static electricity. So this is the topic electric fields and charges we are going to discuss today. Introduction topic only. So first, what is the static electricity? Static electricity nothing but the study of electric charges which are at rest condition. That is static electricity. Here, first, what is the charge? Charge is a property of the matter, so showing effect in electric and magnetic field. That means it produces electric field and it experience electric and magnetic fields. So that is called as what is that? Charge. Charge is nothing but property of matter. So it experience or produce affected in electric and magnetic field. So that means the charges are produces the electric field and it experiences the force in electric and magnetic field. So this is concept of charge. Now the charge it is classified into two categories. Number one is positive charge. Next, number two is negative charge. So positive charge means when body is removing the electron from the substance, then it obtains positive charge. For example, if body it is removes the electron from the substance, then it obtains positive charge. Suppose a body gains the electron, then it obtains negative charge. This is a loose electron. Here, when body lose electron, here when body obtains electron, gain electron, then it obtains negative charge. So this is the classification of the charges. That means deficiency of the electron in the substance, it is obtains a positive charge, and excess electrons are gained by the substance, then it obtains negative charge. So this is classification of the charge. Now again the charge properties. When we are going to discuss about the charges properties, first property. Actually, the charge is property of this matter. So it experience and produce the electric and magnetic effect. So in electric field and magnetic fields. So when we are observing these properties here, first property is like charges are repulsed with each other. This is property of this charge. Like charges repulse. Repulse with each other, and here unlike charges are attracts with each other. This is one more property. Unlike charges attract, means plus and minus they are attract with each other. Here plus plus, otherwise minus minus, they are repelled with each other. This is property of the charge. Second property is rest charge. When we are considering the rest charge, so it is also called point charge. It will be creates electric field. This is creates electric field. So this is electric field. So moving charge, it is creates both electric as well as what is that, magnetic fields. Magnetic fields. So this is here one more property of this charge. Rest charge, it is creates only electric field. Your moving charge can create both electric as well as magnetic field. Here when we are observing this fourth property of the charge, that is charge is invariant. Charge invariant, nothing but here the magnitude of the charges does not change with respect to motion. Magnitude charge is no change with motion. So here whenever it is in motion condition, whenever it is at rest condition, the magnitude of charge it is constant at anywhere. This is called charge invariant. Next, here one more property of the charge, that is charge can be affected with a medium. Charge affect with medium. So this is one more property, and next one is here the charges having, whenever excess charge it is given to this conductor. For example, this is conductor. If excess charge it is given to them, then it will be stored on outer surface of the conductor. This is one more property of this charge. Then excess charge give to the conductor, it is stored on outer surface. So this is one more property of this, what is that, charge. Next, when we are observing these charge properties, here the charge is conserved. That means charge neither be created nor destroyed, just it converted, so or changed from one substance to another substance, or transferred from one substance to another substance. That is, charge is conserved, means it obeys law of conservation of energy principle. Means your charge neither be creating nor destroying, just it will be transferred from one substance to another substance. New charges are not creating, new charges will be not destroyed, just it will be transferred. So the total charge on the substance will be remains constant. This is law of conservation of energy principle is satisfied by the charge. And one more property is the charge is quantized. Charge is quantized. Charge quantization nothing but here every body having a charge, it is equal to the integral multiples of electron charge, that is here plus or minus of n into e. N is nothing but integral multiple value, that is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, where e is the charge of electron, that is 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 coulombs. But here body having charges only in integral multiple values but not in fractions. Every body have charge, it is equal to n times of electron charge. This is called quantization of charge principle. Okay.